with me for a minute. Okay, this one. Can you see the screen?
Okay.
Caroline. Yeah, this one. Oh, wait, ha. Your screen share is loading. Screen share. Oh, this
Okay.
one. Can you see it now? Okay, very good,
Yep.
Caroline. Okay, so this one. So we have here, Caroline, about speaking and your elementary solutions. We are already in Unit 2 and assuming that every number or every unit has five compositions like writing, reading, listening, speaking, and the general vocabulary. So we are now in the speaking. Okay. So here, read and listen to the dialogue between a girl and her friend. Do you agree with the friend's advice? Can you think of any other advice, Caroline? Okay, please listen. Ready?
Lesson 2G. Exercise 1.
Hi, Lewis. Can I ask your advice about something?
Yes, sure. What's the problem?
Well, you know that big science project we have to do?
Yes.
Well, Sophie is really worried about it. She wants to copy my work. I feel really bad and a bit angry. It's my work.
Oh, I see.
What do you think I should do? Should I tell Mrs. Jones?
No, you shouldn't do that. But you should talk to Sophie. You should explain that copying work is a bad idea and tell her how you feel.
Yes, you're right. Thanks, Lewis.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so do you agree with the friend's advice? And can you think of any advice? Jade is asking to Lewis, can I ask your advice about something? Then you know the big science project we have to do. Sophie is really worried about it. She wants to copy my work. And Jade felt really bad and a bit angry because, according to Jade, it is her work. Okay, so Jade said, what do you think I should do? Should I tell Mrs. Jones, maybe? Mrs. Jones is the teacher. Okay. Lewis said, no, you shouldn't do that. You should talk to Sophie first. You should explain that copying work is a bad idea and tell her how you feel about it. Okay. So this is now what is the friend's advice? What is the advice of Lewis to Jade?
Jane.
The advice is
Jane.
what is the advice?
Talk to Sophie. Uh, Explain that copy work is a bad idea and tell her how you feel.
Hey, very good. So Lewis said you should not tell to Mrs. Jones what had happened. Instead, you have to talk to Sophie and you have to explain that copying work is a bad idea. It's not really good to copy. So aside from what Lewis said, Caroline, what else Or what other advice can you tell to Jade? Because Jade is quite mad because Sophie is copying her work. What do you think? What are the other ideas?
Really bad and angry.
Okay, a little bit bad and angry. Okay, so how about you? Can you think of any other advice that you will gonna tell to Jade? Okay, what do you think is your advice?
I have no idea.
No idea. What you will gonna tell to Jade? Jade will going to tell to the teacher, Mrs. Jones, that, oh, ma'am, do you know, teacher, Sophie is copying my work. Do you think it's good to tell directly to the teacher, Caroline?
Yes.
Oh, so if you were Jade, you will also tell the teacher directly. But Caroline, Lewis is correct. Okay, instead of telling it to the teacher, first you have to talk to Sophie. Okay, Sophie is copying the work. Sophie doesn't have any originality. So you have to tell to Sophie what she is doing is not good. So Sophie will be aware that copying work is a bad idea. And tell her how you feel. Okay, you have to tell her, oh my God, what happened like this? Okay. Okay, so did you understand what I am saying?
Lesson 2.
Okay, next one. So you have here, Caroline, about learning the word should. Okay, like we use should or shouldn't plus infinitive without to give advice. Okay, she should take her exam again. You shouldn't go outside in this weather. Should we invite your cousin to the party? Okay, so you should take her exam again. You shouldn't go outside in this weather. Okay, you should. What is the use of should? Okay, should used to give advice or say something is a good or bad idea. Like you will say, Caroline, you should study your lesson. Caroline, you should go to school because it's important to go to school and learn from school. Okay, that is should. It's advice. I am telling you an advice. Okay, so in should, Caroline, we have affirmative. Or as you know this already, he, she, it. Formative. And we have negative. I, he, she, it, you. Negative is there is the word not. They shouldn't laughed. Okay. They shouldn't laughed. Okay. That's when you say interrogative, it is asking questions. You have to ask questions. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so short answer also is just short. You don't need to explain. Oh, Caroline, okay, should I tell him what happened? Oh, that is interrogative. I am asking questions. And your answer is no, teacher, you shouldn't. Okay, no, teacher, you should not. Okay, if it is yes, yes, teacher, you should. You should tell. Yes, you should. Okay, that's it. Short answer. It means there is no explanations. Okay, so this is the usage of the should. Okay, now find five, Caroline, five more example of so should in the dialogue. Are they affirmative, negative, or interrogative? Please find, please underline.
Hmm.
And
Yeah,
you tell me if you're done.
I'm done.
Okay. Huh? Oh, sana all. Okay. So where are they? So what are the 5 examples of should in the dialogue?
Is what do you think I should do?
Okay.
The second is, should I tell Metatron?
Mm?
Is you shouldn't do that.
Correct. What else?
Next is, but you should talk to Sophia. And the last is,
Okay.
you should explain that copying work is a bad idea and tell her how you feel.
Okay, very good. Yay, great job. Okay, so first we have, what do you think I should do? What kind of should is this? Affirmative, negative, or interrogative?
Interrogative.
Correct, because it is questions. Okay, next one. How about this?
Mm, interrogative.
Interrogative again. Okay, so this one, how about
Ne
that?
negative.
It's negative. Okay. And how about this one?
Affirm affirmative.
The affirmative. Okay, correct. Okay, very good, Caroline. So at least you understand. That's very important for teacher that you will able to understand. Now, Caroline, you read the problems, complete the 2 pieces of advice with should and shouldn't. Okay, go. You tell me if you're done. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da.
I'm done.
Okay, so what is the answer? You can't do your homework late at night because your brother play loud music. Okay, what is the answer for letter A?
A.
Hmm.
You should talk to your brother. And
A,
B.
correct. B,
You shouldn't do your homework very late at night.
Correct. You shouldn't do your homework very late at night. Of course, not really good to do your homework late at night. Oh, it's not really good. It's not what they call one. It's not advisable. Two, you feel ill but you want to go to your friend's party.
Mm, You shouldn't go to a party with a bad headache.
Okay. Next, you shouldn't go to the party with a bad headache. And E,
You should rest before the party.
you should rest before the party. Okay. Three, you hate your birthday present from your aunt. You hate your birthday present from your aunt.
Um, you should thank you for it.
Mm. You should say thank you for it. And B, you
I don't think so.
uh, you shouldn't tell her the truth about your feelings. So you shouldn't tell her the truth, okay? Because like if you were gonna tell her the truth that, oh, you know what? I am not happy with what you give. Not good. Always remember, it's not really good to tell the truth about your own feelings. Okay, so that is why you have to keep something for yourselves. Now, look at the faces. Choose suitable words for each one. Okay, please tell me later what do you think are the meaning of these faces. For me, it's really hard. It's hard for me to identify the emoticons. Okay, tell me, huh? Caroline, if you're done.
Not yet.
Okay, finish now? Not yet. Oh, it's okay. I feel so confused also about the picture. It's really hard for me to identify those. Okay, finished?
No,
Okay,
just
okay.
wait.
Oh, yeah, it's okay. Ting, 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 ting. Ting, 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 ting.
I'm done.
Okay. So look at the faces and choose suitable word for each face. Okay, letter A. What do you think is this emoticon? Feelings.
Sad.
Okay, sad. Okay, how about letter B?
Angry.
Angry. Okay. How about letter C?
Let's see. Worried.
Okay. And letter D?
Embarrassed.
Embarrassed. Embarrassed. Okay, embarrassed.
Okay.
Okay, very good. E, it's not embarrassing, ha? It's embarrassed. The past tense of embarrass. Okay, next, letter E.
E. Happy.
Okay, letter E. What do you think is the meaning for letter E? This is? Sorry.
Happy.
Okay, happy. And letter F. What
F.
is letter F? It is
Tired.
tired. As you can see, the emoticon is quite sleepy. Okay, so you are good enough with emoticon. Okay, so here. Now check the meaning of the adjectives below. Then listen to the 4 dialogues and complete sentences with the correct adjectives. Okay, in dialogue 1, the boy feels blank. What is the answer? Okay, again, this is in the box form. Feelings adjective, and these are the corresponding feelings. Okay, please write the correct answer. Please match. Sorry.
I
Oh,
don't
wait. Okay, I will play, huh? Sorry, I will play this one and then listen to the 4 dialogues and complete the sentences with the correct adjective. So you will write this one, choose and put it here. Okay?
Okay.
Listen.
Lesson 2G. Exercises 5 and 6. 1.
Hi, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. But I need to sleep.
Oh dear. And we've got an exam tomorrow.
I know.
Got an exam tomorrow.
I know.
You should go to bed early tonight.
I can't. It's my cousin's birthday party this evening.
Do you have to go?
Yes, I do.
Well, you shouldn't stay late. Just explain to him about the exam.
Yes, you're right. Thanks.
2.
Hi, how are you?
I'm really not happy.
Oh no. Why not? What's the problem?
I want to go to a pop concert on Saturday, but my parents say I can't go
Oh, why not?
because of my schoolwork. My grades this year aren't very good.
Well, you should talk to your parents again. Explain how you feel and promise to work really hard all year.
Yes, you're right. Good idea. I should talk to them again.
Good luck.
3.
Hi there. Are you okay?
Not really. Look.
What's that? Your brother's Facebook page.
It's my friend's Facebook page. But look at this photo of me. Don't laugh. It's not funny. It's really embarrassing. I'm not happy about it.
Does your friend know that?
No, he doesn't.
Well, you should send him a text and ask him to delete the photo.
Yes, good idea. Thank you.
Okay, so
4.
do you have the answer? Number 4, or you
Hello.
still have number 4?
How are you? Okay?
Not really.
Why not?
because I can't find my phone.
Is it in your bag?
No, and I need it. I know it's here at school.
Why have you got it at school?
I often bring my phone to school. I play games on it at lunchtime.
You should leave it at home. You don't really need it here.
You're probably right, but it doesn't help me now because I still can't find my phone.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. So in dialogue 1, the boy feels what?
Tired.
Very good. In dialogue 2, the girl feels what?
Sad. Sad. Teacher.
Okay. Okay. In dialogue 2, the girl feels?
Sad.
Okay. Sad. Okay. 3. The boy feels in dialogue 3?
He's angry.
Angry, embarrassed. Embarrassed is just like somebody is telling bad things against you. And then, although you know the fact that you are sad, okay, you know the fact that you are sad, but other peoples are not really successful in doing that one. Okay. In dialogue 4, the girls feels what?
Worried.
Hey, let me see. Okay, worried. The girl feels a little bit worried.
Mm.
Okay. So work with the teachers, make dialogue using prompts below. Use problems from task 2, 5. Okay. You cannot do your homework from late at night because your mother plays loud music. You feel ill but want to go to friend's birthday. And you hate your birthday. Birthday present.
Mm.
So work with the teachers, make dialogue using the prompts below. So these are the prompts. So you can write your own dialogue using the prompts. The answer is, okay. So use problems task 3 on your ideas. You cannot do your homework late at night because your brother plays loud music. Okay. This one, give one pieces of advice. Okay. Ask how, ask what the problem is. Okay. So great. Say that word, need advice, explain the problem, thank B for the advice. Okay? So this is what we considered as prompt. Okay, we considered as prompt. Okay, use problems 3 to 4, task 3 on your own ideas. Okay, you cannot do your homework late at night because your brother plays, okay, loud music. Okay, very good. Okay, so another one. You feel ill but want to go to the friend's party. What will you do What will you do, Tonma?
I'll take rest before I go to the party.
Correct. You have to take a rest to gain the confidence and to gain the extra power. So you have to take a rest. That's very good. Okay. Okay. Ask A. What problem is A?
What? Uh,
Okay, number 2. Okay, we are done with homework. You feel ill, but you want to go to your friend's party. How will you explain this to your friend? What will you say to your friends?
mm,
Do you know the word ill? Do you feel ill but want to go to your friend's party? Do you want to go to the friend's party even though
yeah.
you're not feeling well? Okay. So you hate your birthday present from your aunt. Oh my God, this is quite strange. Okay, you hate your birthday present from your aunt. Okay. Okay, you hate your birthday present from your aunt. Okay, so how about the party in your house? Okay, so how about the party in your house? Did you have the present? Did you have the present?
I'll say thank you.
Okay, very good. Hate your birthday present from your aunt. Okay, that's your birthday present. You hate your birthday present from your aunt. How will you react with this one? Example only ha, example, you hate your birthday present from your aunt. Your aunt give you the present, but you didn't like it. Okay, what will you do with this, Caroline?
Sure. I don't know.
Okay, so you hate your birthday present from your aunt. This is the same questions like what we did, okay, a while ago. Okay, so example, your aunt give you present like it is a mobile, it is a phone. Okay, but you don't like the brand. Okay, what is the famous brand of cell phone in your country, in Vietnam?
What?
Okay, what is your most famous, okay, car in the Philippines, as what you have seen?
Sorry, I can't see clearly.
Okay, can you hear me?
Just a little
Okay,
bit loud. Okay.
Caroline, can you hear me?
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so I know it's quite hard. You hate your birthday present from your aunt. Okay, so this is the same question I asked. You hate the birthday present from your aunt. Okay, what will you do with this? How will you react? Oh, you hate your birthday present, you didn't like it. So what will you do with this? With this one? With, sorry ha. Work with the teacher, make a dialogue using prompts below. Use prompts to ask you. Okay, so what is your own idea about this? You hate your birthday present from your aunt. It means you don't like it.
I just keep this.
You just skip.
Yeah.
Okay, so what is the color of your dress if you go to the party?
Color.
Okay, yeah, some sort of. Okay, so you feel ill but want to go to your friend's house party. Okay, but teacher, I'm not feeling well, but I know my friends are there already. What can you say about this?
Um.
Okay, do you have the answer?
No, I have no
Oh,
idea.
you find it hard?
I have no idea.
Okay, so you feel ill but want to go to your friend's house. Okay, this very complicated, Caroline, because you want to go to the bed, but hey, you feel ill but want to go to the friend's party. Okay, so you feel ill. Okay, so you can't do your homework late at night, like 12 midnight already. And you will going to get all the notebooks and then study. Example, okay, you feel ill but want to go to your friend's house, friend's party. You feel ill. Okay, so what will you do with this one? Okay, so you're really excited to go to the party, but the problem is, okay, you are not feeling well. Okay, you're not feeling well. Okay, so you're not feeling well. So that is why it is very important to confirm. Okay, you hate, okay, we have 5 questions supposed to be, this will be written. You can't do your homework late at night because your brother plays loud music. Okay, so this, come on. You feel ill but want to go to your friend's party. And 6, you hate your birthday present from your aunt. Okay, so these are the choices.
Yeah.
Okay, what will you do with this? What is your stand? Oh, you feel ill, but you want to go to your friend's party. Do you think this is good? Lynn, do you think this is good? That we always feel ill, except, oh, I don't like to go to the party. I have to tell to my friends I'm ill. I'm not feeling well. Okay, so do you want to go? Okay, of course, you feel ill but want to go to your friend's party. It's not really good. Okay, coming
Okay.
to the party, okay, is an optional. Okay, it is really up to you. Okay, next
Yeah.
is you feel, okay, you cannot do your homework late at night because your mother plays loud music. Your brother plays loud music. Okay, what is the answer? B, B. Okay, there are 5. Give 1 or 2 pieces of advice. Caroline, give 1, 2, or 2 pieces of advice.
Mm.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So you can't do your homework late at night because your brother play loud music. Of course, first, you can tell your brother, oh, don't play that music. It's so loud. It's very noisy. I want to relax. Okay. Another is, you feel ill but want to go to your friend's party. Since you really want to go there, you feel ill and you want to go to the friend's party, so you try to adjust. Okay, if you feel ill, why not stay at the house? Okay, why not stay in your home? Okay, that's important also. But at least you want to go to your friend's party, so you want to enjoy something. Okay? So,
Okay.
Caroline, we are done with all of this. Okay, so, okay. I will see you, Caroline, on Sunday. Please don't be absent. Okay, Caroline?
Okay, teacher.
Yes, bye-bye. Good night.
Good night,
Oh,
teacher.
bye-bye.